Hey, James! I am so happy it is finally Friday. This week was very long and tiring.
Hi, Chloe. I agree with you completely. I had so much work to do. I am ready to relax. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking about it this morning. I want to do something fun, but I do not want to stay at home. Do you want to do something together?
That sounds like a great idea. I do not want to stay home either. The weather is supposed to be very nice on Saturday.
Really? I did not check the weather forecast. Is it going to be sunny?
Yes, my phone says it will be sunny and warm all day. Maybe we can do an outdoor activity.
Okay. What do you suggest? Do you want to go to the beach?
The beach sounds nice, but it might be too crowded on a Saturday. Everyone goes to the beach when it is sunny. How about we go to the big park in the city center?
The city park. That is a good idea. We can walk around and maybe have a picnic. I love picnics.
I like picnics too, but I am not very good at cooking. If we have a picnic, we need to buy food. What should we eat?
We can keep it simple. We can buy some sandwiches, fruit, and juice from the supermarket. Or we can make sandwiches at my house before we go.
Making sandwiches sounds fun and cheaper. I can bring some apples and bananas. Do you like potato chips?
Yes, I love potato chips. Please bring the salty ones. So, we will go to the park and have a picnic. What time should we meet?
Well, I like to sleep late on Saturdays. Is 11 o'clock okay for you?
11 o'clock is fine. But if we want to get a good spot in the park, maybe we should go a little earlier. How about 10:30?
Okay, 10:30 is fine. Where should we meet? Should I come to your house or should we meet at the park entrance?
Please come to my house first. Then we can make the sandwiches together. It will be faster.
That makes sense. I'll come to your house at 10:30. Wait, I just remembered something.
What is it? Is there a problem?
No, not a problem, but I saw a poster for a music festival in the park this weekend. Do you think it will be too noisy for a picnic?
Oh, I heard about that festival. You are right. It might be very loud and busy. Maybe the park is not the best idea if we want to relax and talk.
Yeah, I want to talk and relax, not shout over loud music. Let's think of another plan.
Okay, since the weather is nice, maybe we can go to the zoo? I haven't been to the zoo in a long time.
The zoo is fun. I love looking at the animals. But the ticket is a bit expensive, isn't it?
It is usually expensive, but I have a coupon. Students get a 50% discount on weekends. Do you have your student ID card?
Yes, I always carry my student ID in my wallet. That is perfect. Let's go to the zoo.
Great. The zoo opens at 10 o'clock. We can still meet at 10:30 at my house, or we can just meet at the bus station.
Let's meet at the bus station. It is closer to the zoo. We can grab some lunch inside the zoo later. They have a nice cafeteria with burgers.
I do not like the cafeteria food there. It is not very healthy. Can we go to the pizza place near the zoo after we finish looking at the animals?
Oh, I know that pizza place. Luigi's Pizza. They have the best pepperoni pizza. Yes, let's do that. So, no picnic, but yes to the zoo and pizza.
Exactly. That sounds like a perfect Saturday. What about Sunday? Do you have plans for Sunday?
On Sunday, I need to study for my history exam. I also need to clean my apartment. It is very messy right now. What about you?
I usually visit my grandmother on Sundays. We drink tea and watch old movies together. It is very relaxing.
That sounds lovely. It is good to spend time with family. So, back to Saturday. Let me double check the bus schedule.
Good idea. Which bus number goes to the zoo? Is it number 42 or number 55?
I am checking my app right now. Okay, it looks like bus number 55 goes directly to the main entrance. It leaves from the central station every 20 minutes.
Perfect. So if we meet at the central station at 10:30, we can catch the 10:40 bus.
Yes. Please do not be late, Chloe. Last time, I waited for 20 minutes in the rain.
Hey, that was not my fault. The traffic was terrible that day. But I promise I will be on time this Saturday. I will set an alarm.
I am just joking. I know you are usually punctual. Should I bring my camera? I want to take pictures of the lions.
Yes, definitely bring your camera. You take great photos. Maybe you can take a new profile picture for my social media too?
Haha, sure. I will be your personal photographer for the day. But you have to buy me an ice cream at the zoo.
Deal! I will buy you the biggest ice cream they have. I'm really looking forward to it now. I feel much happier.
Me too. Planning something fun makes the work week feel shorter. Is there anything else we need to bring?
Just comfortable shoes. The zoo is very big, so we will walk a lot. And maybe bring a bottle of water. It's important to stay hydrated if it's sunny.
Right. Comfortable shoes, water, camera, student ID. I think I am ready.
Me too. Oh, one last thing. Can you send me a text message on Saturday morning when you wake up, just to make sure you didn't oversleep?
I will not oversleep, but okay. I will text you. Good morning. I am awake. Is that okay?
Yes, that is perfect. Okay, I have to go now. My mom is calling me for dinner.
Okay. Enjoy your dinner. See you on Saturday at 10:30 at the station.
See you then. Bye, James.
Bye, Chloe.